Today, our couple will no longer be two individuals, but one as husband and wife. Nakita mo yun? Galing sa taas hanggang sa baba yung pag-break
Yeah,
ng cake.
actually, first, okay, wait, let me ask Jason here to serve a piece of bread to Anne first.
Everybody, put your hands together for Jason!
And I usually do this during my events, okay? You don't even need to use this fork, okay? Yeah, why? I
Pwede
want
kumain.
you to use your bare hands kasi sabi nila, the bigger the slice, the more blessings to come, okay? You might as well serve that whole piece left there for more blessings to come. And in 3, 2, 1, open wide, Jason!
Giving it all to the husband! Palakpakan
At dahil hindi naman kaya ubusin ni Jason yan, let me call him.
Would
us
like to call
him
in Kuy
a
Kuys!
very special
Kuys!
person.
Palakpak naman para kay Kuy Kuys!
The Kuy Kuy.
Kuys!
They want
You
to
are,
share,
you are, you are,
they
you are
want to share a piece of
too special
their
for Jason
blessing
and
for
Anne.
Kuy Kuys. Kasi sabi nila Kuy Kuys, ikaw na lang daw ang walang special someone. Baka ngayon.
Hahanapan natin
Hahanapan
tonight.
natin. Okay?
Kuys! Let's listen to this, everybody.
Hello po, good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang paghihintay at pagsuporta sa wedding na to. But first and foremost, baka nagtataka po kayo, cake cutting ng couple, nandyan si Kuys Kuys. Bakit? Isa po sa mga commitment namin ni Jason. No matter what happens, dahil si Kuya Easy po is wala pang partner, baka naman. No? But kidding aside, commitment po namin ni Jason, no matter what happens, pag kailangan po kami ni Koys Koys, nandyan kami para sa kanya. So Koys, we're sharing you this piece of cake. Susubukan kita lang cake, Koys. Grabe naman. Oo. And all the best, Koys. Kasama ka sa marriage na to. Thank you, Koys!
To the sweet brother, the big man with a big heart. Susubukan si Kuy Kuys. Dagulan na kanuan. 3, 2, 1! Wow!
That is a very
Sweet gesture of Anne and Jason. Alam naman natin, nakaka-hospital lang ni Kuy Kuys at sina rin